morning. Today we're gonna paint that paint box. Thanks for stopping by. Winner of the YouTube 100 subscriber contest is announced today. But before we do that, I got some other stuff to show you. You may have noticed I'm slightly red, and that's because, well, I've been out in the sun all week. I got a sunburn right across my arm here. It's just terrible. Do you know what a community engagement project is? No? Well, let me tell you. Oh, I forgot something in the truck. So overall, I think the contest was pretty darn successful. I got past 100 subscribers. On our way with YouTube. Next time I do a contest, it'll be with Instagram or Facebook. So I hope to see you for that one. And the prize will be a bit bigger. What I want to show you over here. So I'm just outside the studio, and just this week, the guys built a new deck / stage. Next week, we're having a block party here. So if you're in Calgary, ask me about it. So all this paint was supplied by the city of Calgary for me to use, and unfortunately they only provided one blue, and I don't know how good that color is going to show up on there, but it's got a lot of red in it, and for this box I need a blue that's a little bit warmer than that. So we're going to mix that up, and also you'll see it's super dark. Still too green, so separating the color out there, I actually have a use for that later.
No. Well, modern schools look like prisons.
So we're at the urban sketching for the Marble project, and it looks like a lot of the artists just want to hang around. I think they're all a little nervous about going into the community and starting drawing. So I'm going to give it about 5 more minutes, and then I'm taking off. Because if I'm going to sketch community, I'm not going to hang out at the community association, that's for sure. So me and the other artists, we went for a walk. I'm still walking because I've got some bike paths to explore. There's a brand new bike path created in this community. And you know, I could sit down and just start sketching, but I got my video camera and it's acting as my sketchbook today anyways. These communities are very close to Marble Mall. And so there is an amazing amount of shopping carts around. Idea forming. Working hard? Are you doing an auction today?
Yeah, 7 p.m.
Corey's doing an auction today, but you guys will all miss it because this video won't be posted for 2 more days. Sorry, man.
That's okay.
It's looking good though. Okay, dude, keep at it. See ya. Problem with this place is, it's not a problem. I get distracted though, which, but in a good way, because I'm getting inspired. Okay, what do I got to talk about? A couple things. The contest at the end of the video, of course. Community engagement, what does that mean? And why is this video a two-parter? First thing, community engagement. Whenever the city of Calgary asks artists to do work inside the community, we have to do a bit of community engagement. That's what today's adventure is. And the reason we're doing a two-parter is because I didn't get the utility box finished. And I want you to see what that looks like, but we're gonna have to wait till next week. The difference in the quality of the yards in this neighborhood is crazy. You go from the most beautiful yard where you can tell people are putting a ton of effort in, and then totally disgusting right across the street or right next to it. That's very interesting to me. Right now what I'm doing is walking the old route I used to walk to school, and it's very short. But when I was a kid, I thought it took forever. I hated doing it. Now I can see that it's nothing. And the winner of the 100 YouTube subscribers contest is Hard to Hurt. If you're into self-defense, you can check out his channel. I've left the link in the description. See you next week for part 2.